This presentation is about transporting and installing in situ propellant equipment. Okay, this is a topic discussed during the mission 54 about propellant production in Mars. This mission is happening from October 3rd to November 7th. Okay, during 2020. Then uh, here in this image, you can see the Starship downloading the equipment. In this case, you can see a vehicle, okay, and then it's a art conception, and then it's possible to see that maybe the Starship will be a very good transportation system to transport uh, uh, very big equipments to Moon and Mars, okay, and then you can see other representation of the Starship rocket, okay, also transporting equipments to Mars, and then probably these equipments will be would probably one of these will be a bigger moxie plant to produce oxygen and propellant in Mars, okay, and then you can see a representation a big payload area in the Starship body, like possibly 8 meters of payload. And here we have like a representation about uh, the propellant would be produced in Mars. Like can see the Martian atmosphere, then producing also equipment to atmospheric constituent separation, like possibly a radiator, and then separating the carbon dioxide and also gas separator, and then this producing water vapor and also temporary water storage and thermal management, and then also this producing electrolysis. We applying energy to produce electrolysis to convert water to oxygen and hydrogen gas. Okay, and then this would be producing the dry gas products that more hydrogen. Uh, this would be producing the released water. Also, the dry gas products will be producing CH4 and O2 gas, and then this would be using a densifier to produce the liquid propellants. And also, they need also the equipment to storage the liquid propellants. Okay, and also I shared a link between the propellants, okay, that will be used in Mars, okay. And then here we can see now also a report about the process of synthesis of the how to produce the fuel in Mars, the oxygen and then hydrogen, okay, and then also how would be a big facility to storage the fuel in Mars, okay, and then this is are some references, okay, but I'd like to share some videos about the propellant production in Mars, okay, and then this is my context,